This is a video review of the Zippo hand warmer. It's got a metal casing. It uses lighter fluid to keep the Cadillac heater system lit. It doesn't actually have a flame to it. It's kind of like a heating element. It's a decent little gadget. Doesn't put out much more heat than the little hand warmers that you shake up. Come in little pouches. Let me show you guys how to fill it up. First thing you're going to do is remove the little Cadillac heater element from it. Get your lighter fluid. It also comes with this little funnel to fill it up. It says it'll burn for 12 hours, but I tested it and it only stayed warm for about 8 hours, which isn't too bad. It's got two different filling options on it. You got the 6 hours, would be halfway, the halfway marker, and the full 12 hours would be the full mark on the funnel. I'm only going to fill it halfway up just for this demonstration to show you guys how to fill it. Right there. And you take your little funnel. There's a little hole in the top of the heater that you place your funnel tip in. You tilt it over. It fills it up. You might have to take your funnel tip out just to get the rest in there. Okay. Then when you're first gonna light it, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes after you put this on. I'm just gonna wait a few seconds here because I've already had it lit once. Give it a few seconds and we're gonna light it up. Alright, I think that's enough, so let's slide it up here. Pretty much just hold your flame right to your heating element here for 10 seconds. Okay. And you can't tell that it's lit because there's not supposed to be any flames at all. And if there's flames on it, just blow it out and try to relight it. But you can feel the heat coming off of it. Then once you get that done, you just place the top lid cap back to it. It comes with this little pouch you're supposed to put it in, because it says it gets hot, like to burn you. It gets pretty warm, but not that warm. But to be on the safe side, you Just insert it into the little heat resistant pouch they give you. And then you're ready to go. Like I say, if you fill the little funnel they give you all the way to the top, it'll last about 8 hours. And halfway fill, it'll probably gonna last 4 hours. And that's where we filled it at. But it was $12.99 at Walmart. You can get a big pack of hand warmers for what, $5 for like 30 of them. But they're not reusable. This is. It's gonna last you quite a long time as long as you use it properly. But I think it's worth the $12.99. And you're also gonna have $3 in your lighter fluid. But it works. It doesn't get quite as hot as the hand warmers do, but it does get warm, and it will keep your hands warmish if need be. But thanks for watching. Hope this helps anyone that's looking into purchasing one.